Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a warm welcome to our family freecourses.com. Okay, every day I am uploading the webinars, webinars, pro premium courses, okay, and interviews and again lots. Okay, guys, so please stay with us. Okay, today's video is about the Udemy bestseller premium courses at totally free of cost for you guys. So our first course is the marketing related complete MBA course, marketing and business strategy. Okay, so you will be know about this thing, you will be know what is the MBA. Okay, management business administrations. Okay. So if you are a keen to know, or if you are looking for a good MBA course, and in which course you will be know what is the marketing, how the business strategy it is. Okay, and if you will start your any startup. Okay, so this course is very suitable for you, because in this course they will teach you every tricks and techniques, okay, of the business. Okay, and also the business strategy. Okay, what strategy you always follow. Okay, so in this case, they will teach you the various marketing channels used by the companies, the Amazon three key service business strategy, advanced marketing concept like BCG matrix, brand mantra, BAV model, product life brand cycle, and brand and the line extension, and many more things, guys, which are related this MBA. Okay, guys, so you will be quite interested for it. Enroll this course as soon as possible, because this will be the very limited edition course, guys. Okay, so it is my opinion to all of you, please enroll this course as soon as possible. So let's look this part of the course, including this course including 5 hour on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile or TV, guys. Okay, guys, so 23 hours left at this price. The course rating is quite high and quite good. Okay, 4.1 out of 5. Okay, guys, so enroll this course, you will be quite interested for it. So move on to the next one, guys, the complete video production marketing and YouTube course 2021. Okay, you will be grow your YouTube channel, or you will be create your YouTube channel and open your YouTube channel, and how to grow your YouTube channel, how to reach this your YouTube channel to the peoples. Okay, many peoples, this course for you guys, because everything is in today's world, everything is done by the social media. Okay, guys, you will be grow your channel through in the YouTube. Okay, or master video creation, video editing, Adobe Premium Pro, and many tricks and techniques, okay, which are related to your video. Okay, so you'll be know these tricks and techniques. Okay, you grow your channel. Okay, your quick way. Okay, guys, so masters in this course, they will teach you the learn the critical important of Facebook 3 new metrics, find out the optimization your content for success, and how does you content you upload in your channel. Okay, so that's why you will be grow your channel. Okay, guys, and many more tricks and techniques. The course rating is quite good, guys, and the one important thing it is, this course is recently updated in March month. Okay, so this will be opportunity, guys, grab this opportunity. 13.5 hour on demand video, 24 downloadable resources. Okay, guys, and you access this on your mobile and TV, guys. And after completion in okay, when you complete your course in Udemy, you get a suitable certificate. Okay, those you show in your various places. Okay, which the certificate will need. Move on to the next one, guys. Python introduction to the data science and machine learning A to Z. Okay, those my viewers, subscribers, family members, all of my those who are quite interested in data science field or in development field, and those who are in the belonging to the computer science and IT field, this course for you guys. Okay, so because we are all know the data science and machine learning are the future. Okay, or the future of the IT. Okay, information technology. Okay, everything is done by the data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Okay, and Python is a language which is used. Okay, which is used these various fields like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Okay, in this course it is a combo pack, guys. Okay, you will be enrolled for this course. Okay, they will teach you how to the Python work. What is the opportunity to go, what is the sorry. Okay, so what is the, you can say, what is the main part, okay, of the data science and machine learning, and how the Python is used in data science and machine learning field from A to Z, means from scratch to advanced level. Okay, guys. So this course including approx 8 hours on D1 video, full lifetime access. Okay, when you enroll for it, okay, you can access through your whole life, guys. Okay, guys. So in this course, they will teach you to understand the basics of the Python programming, understand the basics, what is the data science, how to perform it is used in the data science, and how to perform it is using Python, improve your Python programming, okay, and platform various analysis with scikit-learn, the scikit-learn, and learning the basics mathematical concept, because data science and machine learning nothing but that you will be handled a lot of data, okay, how you can manipulate this data and how you can rearrange this data, all above the data, because data is very important, information is very important, because in we are living in the information world, okay, everything, the information is very precious thing in today's world. So you will be enrolled for it, you can access through your whole life, okay. So guys, it is my opportunity, grab this opportunity, does not miss it. Okay, move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the C Sharp console and the Windows Form development with LineQ and the ADO.NET. Okay, so you all are known that the C Sharp is a programming language. .NET is a platform. Okay, .NET is used by the Microsoft. Okay, this platform is made by the Microsoft. You will be know about this C Sharp language and console and Windows Form development. Okay, there will be a high chance to grab a job or to get a job in like Microsoft company, okay, Microsoft, like Microsoft, okay, because Microsoft they develop the .NET platform. You will be know this C Sharp language because C Sharp is using that .NET platform, okay, because you will be notice in the rating part, this is the highest rating, guys, okay, so 4.7 out of 5. 26,000 students are already enrolled for this course, and this course is created by the top universities and top educators, okay, guys, and this course, and the more important part of this course is recently updated in February month, okay. So those who are quite interested to go to the, and those who are in the computer science and IT field, okay, go to this course, because you will be get a job in a Microsoft like company, big company. This is the opportunity, guys, okay, because the Microsoft is official language is C Sharp, okay. So this course is nothing but web development and Windows Forms, okay. In this course they will teach you understand how to create and run the console applications, understand the basics of C Sharp syntax, blocks of code, curly brackets, comments, understand the variable objects, okay, the basic syntax and basic things of a programming language like C Sharp, okay. They will teach you, okay, the full, sorry, so they will teach you the full concept of the C Sharp, okay, those who help your in your preparation, okay, guys. So you will be quite interested for it, enroll this course, 13 hours on demand video, 3 articles, full lifetime access, guys. Move on to the next one, guys. Complete job interviewing skills with real life examples, okay. In today's, in the COVID, after the COVID situation, many of my friends, okay, and they lost their jobs, okay, and they are now they are jobless. So my opportunity, or I try my best to enroll for, anyone can enroll for this course, because you will be enrolled for the course, they will teach you how you can get a new job, okay, and how you can take, because if you are financially unstable, okay, right now. So so the complete of the value of the money and the guaranteed, okay, most important interview trips and tips, okay. So that is the thing in this course. Okay, 3 hours on demand video, 100 downloadable resources, full lifetime access. So move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the Bootstrap and the jQuery certification. It is certification course for the beginners. Okay, so this course is totally in the web development and development field and the Bootstrap. Okay, so if you are quite interested and looking for a good Bootstrap and jQuery course, this is the very suitable for you guys, because in this course they will create the mobile response, the responsive web pages using the Bootstrap guide system. Learn the create and fully animated and interactive mobile responsive web pages using the Bootstrap and jQuery library, because these are the trending of the mobile development and web development, this type of fields. So because the time limit is very low, okay, 13 hours left at this price, 4 hour on demand video, working with the topography in Bootstrap for the modern, again the stylish fronts, okay, and the many of the tips and specs of the web interactive web pages and the good looking web pages, okay, those interacting users, okay, those who are amazing, like amazing. How to create the customized, again the drop down navigation means with animations, okay, and many more things. In this course they will teach you a lot, okay guys. If you are quite interested for that, okay, for this course, enroll this course as soon as possible, because 4 hours on demand video, you will get 4 hour on demand video, two downloadable resources, and full lifetime access, okay. So the certification is mandatory, okay guys. After complete full certification, okay, after complete successfully completion of this course, you will get a suitable certificate. Move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the HTML, JavaScript, and the Bootstrap certification course. Okay, if you are looking for a good web developer, because if you are made a web developer in your future, so you are looking for a good web development course, this course for you guys. Okay, so because in this course they will teach you the mandatory things like HTML, JavaScript, Bootstrap, because if you make a good website, okay, and the responsive and interactive website, these are the mandatory, guys, okay. HTML, JavaScript, Bootstrap, okay. So if you looking for in the rating part, so the rating part is quite good, 4.4 out of 5, okay, and 1,84,000 students are already enrolled for this course, okay. This course create the modern and stylish website using the latest scripting language, okay, and the interactive to the static HTML elements using the JavaScript, okay guys. 6.5 in this course, you will get the 6.5 or only one video, okay. So full lifetime access. Move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the JavaScript 7 jQuery again. Okay, if you are a good in this course, this is the combine of the JavaScript and the jQuery certification for the beginners. Add the animated and the dynamic is client side functionality to your website and dynamic websites web pages using the JavaScript and jQuery. 1,03,000 students are already enrolled for it, guys. Okay, if you are quite interested to learn the JavaScript for placement, Java's variables, the syntax of the JavaScript, data types, objects, output as assignment, and the arithmetic operators and the many more things, okay, of the JavaScript, okay, and also the jQuery to become a good web developer. This course for you guys, grab this opportunity. 2.5 hour on demand video, two downloadable resources, full lifetime access. Move on to the next one, guys. Complete graphics design and video editing. Okay, if you look in the rating part, it is the highest rating. Okay, 4.7 out of 5. Okay, 37,000 students are already enrolled for it. 9 hour on one video. You will get the 9 hour on one video. Okay, guys. Combo course of the Adobe Premium Pro CC and Adobe Photograph CC for learning the video editing and the graphics designing. Okay, if you are quite interested in this type of field, this course for you guys, okay. In this course they will cover up the all the Adobe Premium Pro CC, Adobe Photoshop, like this, okay. So if you are quite interested for it, enroll this course as soon as possible. Move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the learn the advanced level of Python. Okay, sorry, sorry guys, the previous courses are the not free course. This is course for me, okay. I am enrolling for this course, okay, for my own educational purpose. So looking these guys, the complete SQL boot camp 2021 from zero to hero SQL, becoming in demand SQL masters by creating the complex database and building the real world projects with example. MySQL is very used for to store the data and create the database, okay, model real world data and generate the reports using SQL. So using the SQL to query a data set, the database, answering the company performance or sales answering using data, you will get the 9 hour on demand video, 33 downloadable resources. Move on to the next one, guys. Adobe Photoshop CC Fundamentals, Adobe Photoshop CC Fundamentals Essential Training. If you are quite interested in graphic designing and designing part, this course for you guys. Go to this course and you will get, there will be a lot of things: shape, symbol, text style, color, adjustment, content where, creeping, cropping, and gradient stroke, and the bevel, and many more things which are related to the graphics design and illustration, and which are very important if you are in the future make a good graphic designer. Okay, guys, enroll for this course as soon as possible, because one more important thing it is, this course is newly updated in January month. Okay, guys, thank you to watch this video. Stay, if you are quiet, if you are until you will come with me, please subscribe our channel, because every day I am uploading this type of video, those who are helpful for you guys. Please guys, please subscribe us, and please, after the completion of 50 subscribers, okay, I am get a giveaway, okay, for all of you. Please guys, as soon as possible, they can reach me to the 50 subscribers. Okay, guys, thank you to all of you. Please stay with us, and please subscribe us, and please comment me if you have any query, and if you are any type of mistake is done by me, please forgive me, guys. Okay, I am honest request to all of you, please forgive me if any type of mistake is done by me. Thank you guys to watching this video.